Welcome to this complete Thassos, Greece travel guide. Nestled in the azure embrace of the Aegean Sea, Thassos, the emerald island of Greece, beckons you with its stunning landscapes and rich history. As we journey together, we'll experience the grandeur of the ancient theatre, the intriguing archaeological museum, the ethereal beauty of beaches like golden, paradise and marble, the enigmatic ancient agora, and many more captivating sights. So, strap in for an unforgettable journey, prepare to be enchanted by the beauty and rich history of Thassos. First on our list is the captivating ancient theatre of Thassos. Nestled on the hillside overlooking the azure Aegean Sea, this amphitheatre whispers tales of a bygone era. It was carved into the hill during the Roman period around the 3rd century BC and stands as a charming testament to the island's rich historical tapestry. Its architecture? A blend of Hellenistic and Roman styles, featuring a semicircular orchestra and a scaena or stage building. It could house an audience of thousands who would gather to witness riveting performances of Greek tragedies and comedies. And here's a fun fact. The theatre is not just a relic of the past, it's a living, breathing part of Thassos's culture, hosting concerts and performances even today. Imagine sitting under the starlit sky, the ancient stones beneath you echoing with the melodies of the past and present. A visit to Thassos isn't complete without experiencing the grandeur of this ancient theatre. Next, we delve deeper into the island's history at the Archaeological Museum of Thassos. This museum, a beacon of culture and history, is home to a remarkable collection of artifacts dating back to the 7th century BC. Here, time stands still as we explore exhibits that unfold Thassos's fascinating past, from the Archaic period to the Byzantine era. The museum's standout piece is the Kouros of Thassos, a colossal marble statue that never fails to captivate visitors with its intricate detail and grandeur. Other notable exhibits include an array of ancient coins, pottery, and stunning mosaics that provide a glimpse into the island's economic and artistic life in antiquity. As we wander through the halls, each artifact tells a unique story, contributing to the rich tapestry of Thassos's vibrant history. This museum is not just a building filled with objects, it's a testament to the island's resilient spirit and the timeless beauty of human creativity. This museum is a treasure trove of Thassos's rich and vibrant history. Now it's time to relax on the stunning golden beach. Imagine the feeling of golden grains sifting through your fingers, the sun's rays dancing on the azure waters, and the whisper of the Aegean Sea. This is Golden Beach, or Chrysi Amoudia, a stretch of paradise that is just as glittering as its name suggests. Here you can unfurl your beach towel and bask in the Mediterranean sunshine, or plunge into the warm, crystal-clear waters. The sea's gentle lullaby invites you to indulge in a little siesta, or perhaps you fancy a leisurely stroll along the shoreline where the waves playfully nudge your feet. Golden Beach isn't merely a haven for sun worshippers. With its prime location, it offers a variety of water sports. Ever tried windsurfing or jet skiing? If not, this is your chance. And if you're more of a landlubber, fear not. The beach is fringed with charming tavernas, where you can sample local delicacies and savor the island's famous honey-sweetened wine. But Thassos isn't just about sun, sea and sand, it's also a treasure trove of history. Just a stone's throw from Golden Beach, you'll find the ancient agora of Thassos, the island's historical heart. This was once the bustling center of Thassos, a place where philosophers debated, traders haggled, and citizens gathered. As you wander around the agora, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The ruins speak of bygone eras, of grand temples dedicated to gods, of a thriving marketplace, and of a theatre where the works of great tragedians were performed. It's a place where history comes alive, where every stone has a story to tell. The ancient agora of Thassos is a testament to the island's rich past, an open-air museum that invites you to step back in time. As you explore its ruins, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the island's heritage, its people, and their enduring spirit. From sun-soaked relaxation to a journey back in time, these spots truly offer a unique Thassos experience. Continuing our journey, we find tranquility at the monastery of Archangel Michael. Perched high on the cliff's edge, overlooking the sparkling Aegean Sea, this centuries-old sanctuary provides a peaceful retreat from the world's hustle and bustle. It was built in the 18th century, a testament to the island's deep-rooted Orthodox faith. The monastery's architecture is a visual feast, with its traditional Byzantine design, whitewashed walls and domed chapel. Add the stunning sea views and you have a divine panorama that calms the soul. Inside, visitors are welcomed by a treasure trove of Byzantine icons and relics, including a piece of the Holy Cross. The air is filled with the scent of incense and the quiet hum of monks at prayer. It's a place of reverence and reflection, where one can truly feel the weight of history and spirituality. Leaving the spiritual solace of the monastery of Archangel Michael, we swap the serene for the sublime as we head to Paradise Beach. This aptly named stretch of sand is a slice of heaven on earth. Its crystal clear waters shimmer in hues of azure and turquoise, so inviting you'd be hard-pressed not to dive right in. Paradise Beach is also home to a natural phenomenon known as the sea pool. This natural rock formation creates a pool-like enclosure within the sea, making for a unique swimming experience. Add to this the warm Greek sun, the soft golden sand underfoot, and the gentle rustle of palm trees, and you have all the ingredients for a perfect beach day. Whether you're a history buff seeking to delve into Greece's rich past, a spiritual seeker looking for peace, or a sun worshipper eager to soak up the rays, Thassos caters to every traveler's whim. The monastery of Archangel Michael and Paradise Beach are just two of the many gems this island has to offer. These two destinations offer a perfect blend of tranquility and tropical bliss. Our next stop takes us to the stunning Aliki archaeological site. This gem of Thassos is a spectacle to behold. Home to ancient marble quarries that date as far back as the 7th century BC, the Aliki archaeological site is a testament to the rich history and cultural heritage of Thassos. It's where the Greeks, Romans and Byzantines, in their respective eras, extracted marble, leaving behind a landscape that's as aesthetically pleasing as it is historically significant. The site is essentially a time capsule, encapsulating ages of human interaction with nature in its two semicircular quarries. The quarries are not just the remnants of the island's marble glory, they are a story in stone, telling tales of a bustling industry that once was. Adjacent to the quarries, you'll find the remnants of an ancient sanctuary dedicated to the gods of the sea, adding another layer to the site's historical tapestry. But Aliki isn't just about the past, it's also a place of stunning natural beauty. The turquoise waters that lap against the marble-white quarry cliffs create a striking contrast, an artist's palette of colors that can captivate any observer. From Aliki, we transition to another marvel of Thassos, the Marble Beach, also known as Saliara Beach. This isn't your typical sandy beach, instead it's covered in gleaming white pebbles polished over centuries by the gentle caress of the Aegean Sea. The water here is an enchanting shade of blue, so clear that you can see the pebbles underneath, creating an almost surreal underwater landscape. It's no wonder that Marble Beach is a favorite among visitors. And it's not just about the beach itself. The journey to get there, winding through olive groves and pine forests, is an adventure in itself. It's a journey that rewards you with the breathtaking sight of a beach that looks like it's been sprinkled with diamonds. Both the Aliki archaeological site and Marble Beach stand as testaments to Thassos's unique blend of history and natural beauty. This blend is what makes Thassos a destination well worth exploring. So, when are you packing your bags for this Greek island getaway? As we wrap up our tour, we can't miss the ancient port of Thassos, the folklore museum of Theologos, Makriamos Beach, and the Giola Natural Pool. The ancient port of Thassos, a harbor once bustling with activity during the peak of ancient civilization, is a testament to the island's rich past. Its remnants whisper stories of a time when Thassos was a center of commerce and cultural exchange. Next, we have the Folklore Museum of Theologos, a treasure trove of traditions. It's a captivating display of the island's way of life, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that paint a vivid picture of Thassos's cultural heritage. Then, we arrive at Makriamos Beach, a true gem of the Aegean Sea. Its crystal clear waters and golden sands offer a tranquil retreat, a perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Finally, we make our way to the Giola Natural Pool. Carved into the sea's rocky coastline, this natural swimming pool presents a truly unique experience. It's like nature's own infinity pool, constantly refreshed by the waves of the sea. These final destinations round out a perfect Thassos adventure full of history, culture, and stunning landscapes. So whether you're an avid historian, a beach lover, or simply a traveler seeking unique experiences, Thassos offers a delightful mix that's sure to enchant and inspire. And there you have it! A complete guide to the enchanting island of Thassos, from the whispers of history at the ancient theatre and agora, to the serene landscapes of golden paradise and marble beaches. We've delved into the rich culture at the Archaeological Museum, Folklore Museum, and the Monastery of Archangel Michael. We've also marveled at the Aliki archaeological site, the ancient port, and the mesmerizing Giola natural pool. Thank you for joining this journey through Thassos, Greece. Until next time, safe travels.